Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do Juice AI review. Juice AI, it's another AI content generator, AI copywriter tool. I think they're probably more known as the really good one click or like a few clicks blog article generator. I think the key features on Juice AI is they've got this SEO bundle along with their AI content generator, and it's really effective. I'm really enjoying what I am producing in the portal, in their software. And I just want to run through you the website. So they'll talk about how they can save your time. They'll help you do keyword research by putting in like a keyword. They'll search a lot of related keywords for you, long tail keywords. It is 100% a unique plagiarism free, so we'll probably need to test that out. You can do bulk generation. So what I've previously mentioned, this is about like creating bulk articles in a very short period of time. And it can go up to 25 articles at the same time. So looking down here, we've got content optimization, multi-linker support. I think these are the upcoming features that are going to come to Juice AI. They can also integrate with your WordPress or Shopify if you've got an e-commerce store. And they don't have that, 50 plus, 60 plus templates out there like the other tools like GoCharlie, Word Hero, ScaleNut. So regular pricing for Juice AI, if you join, it's $49 per month. But then they're running the Cyber Monday deal, so you'll get 40% off. If you want to just try it out, with the article generator, you'll get 10 outputs per month with $1 trial. One account, one person, multiple. You can generate 10 articles at the same time, but you get no seed words. I think where it shines is the seed words with Juice AI. Probably you want to use Juice AI with the seed words instead of no seed words. I think where they shine is the one-click blog generator. The reason I want to talk about pricing at the initial stages, because we're now at the end of Cyber Monday. Last week, Black Friday, they were running their lifetime deal. And let me go to their lifetime deal and look at these pricing. So Black Friday deal, you'll get 30 outputs per month. It'll be one single user for this account. You can generate the maximum 25 articles at the same time. Keywords Explorer, it's all tiers, but then you don't get any seed words. So the seed words is actually very important, where you get the keywords, the long tail keywords suggested by Juice AI. Unless you got your other tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, you've got your own SEO keywords research tool, then you can search those and then populate back to Juice AI. If you do want to get the seed words, you probably need to go with the starter lifetime deal plan, which is $298. But then because it's still with the Black Friday code, it will be 50% of this. So it's around like $150. This one's like $100. This one's $500. Depending your need, how many articles you need to generate per month, you can work on these numbers. I think the key features are the number of seed words and then the number of outputs per month. So you can, based on your own need, and figure out which plan you need. For those who are running an agency or you have writers for you, then you might need the growth plan, but then that's going to cost like $800, and then the other ones will be higher. So it might be worth getting two accounts instead. So do check it out. I'll leave a link down below. You can sign up with the free tier and then just give it a try. As in my previous videos on reviews, I do like to see if they got a good community. So in the Facebook group, it is a private group. There's around 900 members. So looking at the post, so you can see I've been posting stuff around the usage of their tool. And then we've got announcements just like one day yesterday. They're releasing like new features. So there are interactions in the group, so that's good. And then looking at Twitter, so they joined in May 2022, 187 followers. On YouTube, only 6 videos, no, not as much as we wanted. Just thinking whether all the tutorials are in YouTube or it's another location. But then you can see we just had one new video from yesterday. So these are the social media accounts for Juice AI. So let's look at their portal. So once you're logged in, on your left hand side is your seed words. If you don't have any, then you're not going to see any of them. I think even if you're doing the trial plan, they will have a few for you to see how the seed word works. Sorry. It's a bit clunky. So if I click on headphones, I can see the headphones long tail keywords. And then you can see the stars right here. So what these stars means is they've got standard keywords, whereas the most basic keywords. And most of these will probably have some articles on the internet already, like how headphones use, how to repair headphones. If we jump into Juicy, these are a bit more optimized, or it's a long tail keyword, or how to clean in an ear headphones, how good are Sennheiser headphones. I mean, these are much more specific. I think the way it works is extra juicy is even more rare, and then super juicies are the ones that you can rank pretty quick. And I think the good thing is this will keep on adding new ones, if I'm correct. And you can sort by the ratings. So rating from highest to lowest. You can choose these ones to sort the way you want to pick your topic. So you can play around with the sample keywords from them. I think there's 4: fun games, headphones, coffee machines, house and garden. So once you have your seed words, you can plug in your article title and then you can hit generate. So in this case, so for this demonstration, I'm going to use calligraphy as my seed words. So let's look at the profile and let's see if there's anything interesting here. So there's only 2 settings. The setting is your account. If you're a team member, then you can invite others. You got plans, what plan you're on. Your site, you can put in your website, whether it's Shopify or WordPress. It does that integration for you. And then generating options. So you can include images. It will help you search for royalty-free images are free, and then include like YouTube videos as well. I'm not sure what this one is, so let's do a quick search. So it's quite handy that they have a help button down here. I'll just hit search and see if this is available. Yeah, generation option. Okay. So if you don't want like swear words and all those bad language stuff, so it's good they have this help tool and you can quickly search what's in here. So let's say you don't want any of those like swear words, other like offensive language. So I think it's good to enable it. So you're not going to get bad stuff here. So that was quick. The help button was useful. And then if you have like any other questions, I think hitting the ask button, it will generate like a ticket for their team to respond to. And then tutorials. Let's see what the tutorial is. So there's a simple guideline you can go through. If you want to integrate your WordPress or Shopify, then you'll need to answer this question. For now, I'm going to say no. I just want to generate articles. I've just added a new seed word, and in this demonstration, I'm going to choose calligraphy. And as you can see, once I added this keyword, you can see the red sort of progress line. It's now actually going up to the internet, grabbing all the keywords, related keywords. So it might take a few minutes or more, so we'll be right back. And we're back. So now I've got all the calligraphy keywords searched or crawled up. Now on the left hand side, you can see all my long tail keywords are populated here. The articles you want to start writing are the juicy, extra juicy, and super juicy. I think these long tail keywords will help you rank faster if you're just starting out. So for this demonstration, I'm going to choose how to write Chinese calligraphy. Once you click on it, you can see it's populated on the article generator. So now all you have to do is just hit generate. Now Juice AI is going to tell you to wait a few minutes while they are generating the article. So I'll be right back. Now we're back. So looking at the article, let's see the introduction. Writing calligraphic character is one of the most beautiful things you can do in language arts. Not only there are there infinite numbers of styles, shapes, and structures that can be experimented with, but practicing them in a fun way to improve your skills. There are many ways to learn how to write Chinese calligraphy. Some people may suggest doing it by hand first, but this does not work for every style. Many beginner writers start using computer software to create calligraphy before moving on to more difficult methods. These programs may have you choose from different fonts or interface type, which helps you make your art look more authentic. I'm not going to read the entire introduction, but I think that's a pretty good one. So it will create the outline for you. The first one is make a plan, practicing writing, create a theme, find your inspirations. So every single H2, it will give you an image. So that's pretty neat. So if you don't like the image, you can replace it, and then you can search the stock image. You can just put in like, Chinese calligraphy, and then search. Interested to know where these photos are from, so let's see where they are. So it's coming from Pexels, so that's a pretty good integration, so you don't have to go onto a Pexel, download it yourself. Of course, you can put in custom image. So that's how it works. That's good. And what we want to do is to see if there are any like plagiarisms. So let's copy all the text and we'll jump into Grammarly. Okay, we're now in Grammarly. This is the premium version. So if we hit the plagiarism, it's going to do its thing, go through the content and see if there's any plagiarism stuff. So it says 7% plagiarism. I've seen other content creators out there saying that it's probably okay. You're not going to get like 100% plagiarism free. And looking at some of these ones that are flagging out, and then they don't really look exactly the same, so I think that's fine. In terms of plagiarism, I don't think there's an issue for Juice AI, and then we'll just start touching up the grammars on this document, and we'll try to get a pretty high score here. So I'll be right back again. So I've gone through Grammarly, touched up all the grammars and mistakes, and now this is ready to be published on my blog. So I'll see if this will rank pretty good on the internet, on Google. So be sure to check out my channel to get an update on this. Hope you guys enjoy my video today and on Juice AI, this new AI content generator. It's really heavily focused on long form article. You're not going to get all the other short form AI copywriter stuff like Facebook ads, social media, email writing, YouTube description, stuff like that. It's primarily just getting long form articles with SEO built-in keywords in it. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.